Guys, welcome back to Codin. So guys, I hope you all are taking care and understanding each and every concept with the videos that I'm posting for you. So in today's lesson, that is of the SQL lesson, we are going to discuss about some more SQL commands in SQL. That is the insert command, delete command and the update command. Means what all these commands perform, how we can insert into an existing table, how we can delete a rows and column from an existing table, how we can update some queries into an existing table. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Already on my YouTube channel, I posted content regarding Excel, C, C++, Java, Python and other motivational videos that is really help you to study better and understand the concepts easily. So please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Coming to the part that we are talking about to insert, delete and update. These are also a DML command like we were having the select command. So the difference is that here we update the commands. So for that we use a lowercase letter, that is update, to tell that we are updating the commands. But within this we also have a update query which help us to update the command, which is inserted with the help of the uppercase letters. So now coming to the very first thing, that we have the insert command. So whenever I'm talking about the insert command, basically the rows are added using relations of insert command. So whenever I'm talking about the insert command, what will be the syntax whenever I want to enter something into an existing table. So first of all, I have to write insert into, that is the name of the things that I want to insert, then the table name, which table I want to insert, and the column that I want to insert. Means if I want to define the column, I can define. If I do not want to define the column, just I'll write the table name and accordingly I will assign them the values. Like values after a parenthesis, and in which I will write the values with enclosed with a comma and so on, and ending with a semicolon. Now let's take an example to understand how the insert command works. So first you can see I want to enter some data into the table, that is the employee table. It is a already existing table which I have created. I want to enter some data into it. So here you can see what I've written: insert into employee. Then after that I've written values, that is 1001 comma hash, then gender male, then E4 the grade, then the gross salary, and ended with a semicolon. So this is the very first way through which we can insert anything into a table. Or we can write this statement in this format also: insert into employee e code comma e name comma the number of things that were available in the employee table. All the things I have mentioned over here, and then accordingly I have given the values. You have to keep in mind whenever you are giving the values that you should give only those values that were present in the table. Suppose say in the upper statement, if I have included one more condition into it, means one more value, so it will generate me an error because the rows were total to be 5 or 6, but I have entered the content is as 7, 8, so it will generate me an error. Similarly, while we are working with insert, we can also provide a command that can be used to derive values from an existing table and perform the query into it. Like this was the way, but just we were providing some value. We can also provide null value. We can also provide some other value. But what if I want to perform the insert function with the help of a query? So for that, what we will do: insert into, suppose say branch 1 is the first table. So what I want a query to perform a task and insert data into that. So I have taken select star from branch 2 where gross is greater than the desired number. So what it will happen, it will perform this query and all the content that it will fetch, it will add that content into branch 1. Suppose say we have a bank branch. So bank branches are different. So now if I want that one branch want to access some data from the other, so what will be the backend query performed over there? From that similar branch, means a person, account or something details will be fetched, and accordingly that values will be inserted into the existing branch. So this way we are using the insert function with the result of queries also. That we have is the delete command. So now whenever talking about the delete command is basically used to remove rows from a table. This removes the entire row, not individual field value. Means it will just remove the entire of the rows that are present in that desired table. So for the syntax that we will write over here, delete from, then again the table name, then after that what I am going to write? I am going to write where predicate, means I want to specify a condition, if in case, then only I will be using a where clause over there. Otherwise I will directly write delete from table name, whichever item I want to delete. Then after that let's take an example to understand that how we work with delete statement. Suppose say here you can see I want to delete some content, so I'll write delete from items, it will delete that particular thing. Next I want that delete from employee where gross is less than this, so it is based upon some condition that we are working with it. In the upcoming videos, you will be understanding the difference between there is a delete command and there is a drop command. So what is the basic difference? We will be more clear when we are going to understand in the new videos. So I hope this is clear till now that what do we mean by a delete command. Understanding each and every concept, do give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. Then we have the next command, that is the update command. So when I am talking about the update command, as from the name it suggests, it is used to change the value that were already present over there and we want to update that values. So basically the update command will be used using the where clause and the new data will be used using the set keyword. So how do we use that update command? First of all, I'll write update and then the thing that I want to update. So here I have taken that update items. Then I want to change the value of ROL, that is 250. So I want to make it as 250. Earlier suppose it was 200 or something else. I want to make it as 250. So accordingly all the ROL value will be changed to 250. Second example, what we can use, we can also use in the update command, that is two conditions. It is not just that we can only update one value, we can update as many values that we want. Again I've written update, that is the name of the table, items, set ROL equals to 400, QOH equals to 700, where I code is less than 104. Means wherever the I code is less than 104, we can update that command accordingly. Similarly, we can update null values also. Suppose say you want to set ROL equals to null, so you will simply write ROL equals to null, it will make the value null. So it is updating null values using expressions in update. We have used an expression over here that I want to perform this, or you can perform some calculation also, that suppose say ROL value you want 400 into 2. So accordingly it will update that value. Accordingly, just we are going to write the set keyword and the update query, it will automatically update that command. So guys, I hope you must be clear about these three different commands and also the previously discussed about select statement. So in the upcoming video, I'm going to tell you about joins, which is a very important topic. Do check that out also. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, that whenever I post a new video, you get the notification of it. And don't forget to share it as much as possible with your friends so that each and everyone get the content that I'm posting for you. So guys, I hope you understand each and everything. So guys, if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do follow me on my Instagram page, and also don't forget to check out the short videos that I post on every Sunday and these videos on every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling and take care.